Hey YouTube, what's up? It was glorious, YouTube, the World Wide Web. As you guys can see, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, and I woke up to probably one of the most off-putting auditory experiences that's occurred recently. I heard this like, I'm like, fuck, like I knew that a package was coming. Overnight rush wave. So grab a surfboard, ladies and gentlemen. We got some wavy drippage today. Drippin'. Now, before I unbox this video, I just gotta shout out all of my loyal fans, subscribers, and just everyone who has been showing love in this club recently. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I've been lagging on videos, I've been out of town, I've been traversing the world, but I actually had the comments pulled up, but just now when I was holding my phone, I like somehow closed the application. So let me find this comment real quick. All right, so here it is retrieved. Shout out the boy Victor Montoya. He said, yo, happy birthday to Paul's granddad's balls. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Wow, truly inspirational. I do appreciate it. And then someone else said, Paul Cantu is the only reason to have notifications from YouTube. Hey, turn on the notifications. We out here. But anyways, back to the lecture at hand. I got this giant parcel once again from my favorite sponsor that is based off the vicious cat Puma. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and unbox this ting real quick. You guys know unboxing wouldn't be complete without my girl Trish, the blonde hair bitch. All right, man, so I got the horse on deck, Patron on ice, and I am opening this package backwards. Now, the fine folks at Puma hit me up like literally a couple of days ago asking if I wanted these shoes, and I was like, yeah, but they gotta get here by the 11th, which is today. So they overnighted these. I got them today, and yeah, man, it just kind of goes to show that I got the shoes today, I'm shooting the vid today, and they released today. So a bunch of good stuff, but just cracking in, ooh, we have a Puma box from the back side, which, you know, may be the best side, but I tend to disagree. Just look at this. Oh, the face on this box is iconic. It is beautiful, and it does have the cat just like pouncing on prey. You dig? But this is my first glance at these shoes, so let's go ahead and unveil them. Ah, okay, hold up. Drop the paper. Ooh, hold on, drop the paper. Ah, look at it right here, baby. All right, so we have some crazy, heavily knit Puma Clydes. Now these are actually the basketball rendition, so I do believe they're the court Clydes, if I am correct. And these are absolutely crazy. They actually have a good amount of little weight to them. They feel sturdy, they feel beautiful. And just seeing them for the first time, they do look high quality. Now, when I saw the pictures of these originally, I was like, oh, they're gonna be a nice red and yellow, mustard and ketchup. We ain't having none of that condiment sauce. This is actually like a crazy infrared almost. I really wouldn't know how to describe this color. Like, this thing definitely is not found in the natural world. It almost is like a molten lava mixed with like some sour candy. That's the best way I can describe this color scheme, with of course a little bit of that laser lemonade up top. So I definitely do feel like this is a quality kick. It is for a basketball, and Puma hasn't dropped a basketball kick since damn 1998. It's been like 20 years, so that's quick math. Boom. Boom. But yeah, overall, man, just getting into little details, it has this clear little outsole encapsulating some nice, what I assume to be comfy little foam material to make sure that when you walk on feet, you feel like a damn damsel just crossing people over and dunking on the punk, you know what I'm saying? And then it also has this heavily stitched in Puma black insignia, and I'm telling you guys, the thread count is crazy. There's just so much stitching on this piece. Now the whole upper is this like woven material, and it does feel pretty thick, pretty girthy, and pretty sturdy, which definitely is dope. So I don't think it's gonna be like a sock where my toe, when I don't trim the nail, just like will penetrate through the toe cap. So that definitely is good. On the back, you got this leather hit and this nice little hard material sounding like the FedEx dude that was banging on my door. It says 1973 on the back, which I'm just gonna assume that's when the first Puma Clyde released.
Survey said.
It says Puma on the tongue, and it has this nice little sock-like cuffing right here just to grab the ankle, keep it in place, and keep everything right and tight. Now I do think the lacing system looks sick. I haven't seen anything quite like this in regards to the laces, and they also are held in place by the ribbon going right down the center of the shoe. The outsole is this bright color. It does have a lot of little traction diamonds going on right here. Again, looking very hot, like some molten, just, oh, it burns, it burns. So yeah, man, I definitely think this is a hot looking kick. It looks dope. I think this is for outdoor and indoor basketball, if I am correct. Wait, hold on. Survey says. I'm correct, motherfucker. So yeah, man, you can rock this shoe if you play basketball indoors and outdoors. However, I feel like this kick personally is just stylish. It obviously has a bunch of practical means of usage on and off the court. I'm not a basketball player, but when I look at a model such as this, I can just imagine the type of fits I will come up with rocking and shocking these kicks. Speaking of which, I have a shirt that will match this extremely perfectly. Wait, hold on, let's get it. Oh, look at this, man. I told y'all, man. I was not bullshitting. I have this crazy, like, thrifted Yates Rocket race shirt. And dude, I have no shoes that are this colorway. It is like the exact same color scheme, which is so freaking dope. And you guys can see the joy written across my face. I am very stoked on these kicks. Now, the link to cop them is down below in the description. They are $120. Honestly, the quality is extremely high on these guys. Like, these feel damn sturdy. Like, if you needed to, you know, you could freaking defend a home against some invaders with this thing. You could clobber some zombies in the apocalypse. Whatever the case may be, man, it's a multi-purpose shoe for both performance, style, and of course, knocking out some zombies in an apocalyptic situation. So that is all encompassing, and I love it. Without further ado, I'm gonna throw these on feet in the streets, show you guys what they look like, because they definitely do look sick. Once again, a big shout out to Puma and big shout out to you guys, because of course, if y'all were supporting me, I wouldn't be here to be blessed with these kicks to show you guys, and I wouldn't have something to match this shirt so effortlessly and flawlessly. So let's put them on in the streets. I'll show you guys how they feel. Maybe I'll do a crossover or two. And yeah, man, let's do it.
Let me tell you what the most important thing about this game is, okay? It's the steez, son. Take a look at these. That's right, son. Best of the best, son. You're destined for greatness, son.
After having these shoes on feet in the streets, I must say they actually are quite comfortable. They're very sturdy, a lot more sturdy than I would have surmised them to be. But yeah, dude, overall, these Puma Clyde Encore Clydes are more crispy than a Frisbee. I feel like they're really dope. I'm very blessed to impressed to actually have them in my possession. If you guys would like a pair, of course, again, the link is down below. Peace and love. I can't thank you guys enough. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked and loaded, and I'm gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.